have the Valentine pillow covers, set of 2, 18 by 18. A fast, no commitment way to really make your space ready for Valentine's Day. I really admire the red heart envelope design. It is festive and clean, not loud, not novelty store cheesy. Remember, these are covers only. You have to add the pillow insert inside. What I liked about this, the hidden zipper, let me find it. So hidden, I can't even find it. The hidden zipper makes putting the pillow inside super easy. It is right here, hidden zipper. Looks so neat and looks so finished. And the fabric is sturdy, so it's going to hold its shape and it's not going to look sloppy on a couch. I always like to make sure the they're in the corners of the pillow. It looks really nice and complete. These are going to go on my porch. So I'd like that the fabric is sturdy, easy to throw on, easy to wash, that kind of thing. And once February is over, I can just fold and store. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. These do exactly what seasonal pillow covers should do. They show up, they look cute, and they don't require much. They work so well on a couch or on a bench or on a bed, wherever you want to pop a Valentine color. This is a simple, no drama decor update that actually gets used instead of sitting on a shelf. Highly recommend.